Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaylan Alex. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in. So one of the most frequently asked questions that I receive is, where do I recommend for high quality, luxurious, fine jewelry? And I have an answer for you guys. Today's video is going to be in partnership with Angara Jewelry, which is a luxurious fine jewelry company that ethically sourced in-house and manufactures fine jewelry. You have the option to purchase either earth mine or lab grown diamonds, a plethora of different metals, white gold, yellow gold, rose gold, as well as a plethora of different clarities, cuts, and stones. So let's go ahead and get right into it because I'm so excited for this video. One of the key things that I look for is how well of a diamond or how well of a piece of jewelry that I'm receiving, as well as how is it being sourced to the best of my knowledge, of course. So I get my number one check off. Number two, is it customizable? How much can I customize? What are the variety of things that are offered? They get a check off number two, because there are so many different ways that you can customize things. They have a full catalog of different jewelry and different accessories and things that you can pick and choose from that are already made. And you also have the option to customize based on your preference. So as I've mentioned, because there's a variety of different colors, clarities, stones, metals, you can pick and choose what it is that you actually want, or you can go with something that is already pre-made. Another check for me. So I'm going to go ahead and start out with some of the items that I got from them, and we're going to start with the things that I'm wearing, which is this nice diamond pendant necklace. This is a 2-carat lab grown VVS stone diamond necklace, and I am just obsessed. You guys know that I prefer to purchase jewelry that is pairable or can be worn with other things that I have in my collection, because I like to layer. I like a nice layer sometimes, but I also like something that can be worn on its own. And I feel like I get the best of both worlds, especially when it comes to this necklace, because although it is simple and dainty, I can layer it with other things that I have and it not clash with those items. Of course, it is a solid diamond, so diamonds are a girl's best friend, and you cannot go wrong with a nice diamond, okay? I can also wear it how I have it on today, with a nice just top and a blazer, something simple. On its own, it still stands out, it still looks nice, it's still luxurious. I love that the drop on it is at a perfect length for me, but I also have the option to customize it if need be. If it was too long, I can get it shortened, or I can have it altered if need be. As I was looking through their catalog, I saw so many different things. I just really fell in love with the various designs and unique designs that they had in their jewelry. It wasn't just plain and it wasn't just boring. However, you did get those classic diamond pieces. You did get those classic jewelry pieces that everyone needs to invest in their wardrobe. These are perfect for every day, as with this necklace that I'm wearing and the other items that I'm going to show you. They're perfect for every day, and they're perfect for investing, investing in your collection, because these are items that can be passed down. And I think that's what's most exciting for me, is that I will get to pass down these items to my children, and they're going to be like heirlooms, and I'm so excited for that, because it makes it a little bit more special and it makes the experience a little bit more special. So I don't want to get too much ahead of myself. I want to go ahead and show you guys what I got. So the next item that I got were these nice pair of diamond hoop earrings. When I say am in love, I am just in love. Like I mentioned, you cannot go wrong with a nice pair of diamond hoops. These diamond hoops are also lab grown, which look amazing. So I love that the brand offers a variety of different stones. You can get a lab grown or an earth mine diamond. You're looking at a different technique in sourcing, right? When it comes to how the stone is actually made and produced and like the technical mechanics of it, they're very similar in that aspect. It's just one was grown from the earth, the other one was grown in a lab. So you get nice quality diamonds with lab grown without it being too much in terms of budget. Being that things are created in-house for like the whole process, it cuts down on that high retail markup that we generally see when it comes to jewelry. So that is another plus. Okay, so then the last thing that I got came in this little box, which I'm very excited about. It is going to be a tennis bracelet. I don't know if y'all can really tell, but my obsession with tennis bracelets has reached an all-time high. I have just been enjoying collecting a variety of tennis bracelets with different styles, different little unique attributes to them, and this was no different. This is going to be their S-Curl diamond tennis bracelet and the natural earth mine diamond. Look at that. This is going to fit so well in my wardrobe as with the other items. And so this is what the bracelet looks like on. How beautiful is that? I love the little S-curl detailing. It really brings the diamonds out. It is the perfect size. I can feel a nice weight to it, as with the necklace and the earrings that I've tried on. It feels very luxurious. It looks nice, and I am very pleasantly surprised with how well the items are crafted and how well they are made. These are definitely pieces that I know will fit into my collection, into my wardrobe from years and years to come. Things and not be too overbearing. This bracelet is just amazing, and I am so looking forward to pairing it with other items. I actually just love it on its own. Like, look at it. I'm just so pleasantly surprised, and I love that. Each item that you receive from the brand comes with their own authenticity card, as well as a nice packaging, a little shopping bag with the jewelry case. They also come with a nice luxury gift with each purchase, so that it is easy to keep and maintain your accessories. These are items that I would definitely consider investment worthy when it comes to curating your perfect fine jewelry collection and your fine jewelry in general. You want to make sure that the items are personal to you, that they make sense to you, that they're personalized and can be matched exactly with what you want, as well as with things that you already have. You want to make sure that you're getting exactly what you want, and I feel like Angara brings that to you. I knew it's very important for me to bring a brand to you guys that I can enjoy, and I knew that you guys would enjoy the selection as well as the option to customize different pieces. So I will have a coupon for you guys to shop with. I will have the items that I am wearing that I got linked down below for you to shop, as well as the full catalog from the brand, as well as where you can customize a piece that you might want. It'll be linked down below in the description bar. I really hope you enjoyed it. I am just loving these pieces. I hope you're able to get something so that you can experience this luxurious experience that I have. The shipping was amazing. I had no problems. I received the tracking. Everything was like perfect from start to finish. The experience with shopping online was easy. Probably the hardest thing I had to choose from was narrowing it down to what really needed to be added to my collection, which was a plus for me. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, drop a nice comment down below. Let me know, what are some things that you have on your mind? Did you see anything on the website that you might want? Pick something out and let's chat about it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get a notification when I post again, and I will see you in the next video.